Happy Halloween vlog! I'm having a difficult time seeing because the sun is coming out. I almost didn't drive out here today because the weather report said it was going to be raining all day. I'm glad it's not. You guys hear that frog? I wanted to come somewhere maybe haunted, maybe a little scary, to be a little festive. And so I made it to Northern State National Recreation Area, which used to be a mental institution.
The institute was established in 1909 on a tract of land at Sedro-woolley and was originally a farm for harmless patients under the direction of the superintendent of Western Hospital at Fort Steilacoom, which is about 115 miles south of here.
I imagine folks think this is haunted, you know, people who aren't of the right state of mind in prison in an area that's now abandoned and extra crusty. Of course it's haunted. Let's find some spoops, yo. There are signs over all of these buildings that says danger, structurally unsafe, please stay out of buildings. So I'm going to respect that sign and not go inside. So right now I'm gonna walk around the property and get some cool shots and check out all the buildings.
So I feel kind of silly. I actually only checked out the dairy farm portion of the property and didn't go anywhere near the actual hospital. I will be going to there in a separate video, but I wanted to get this out for Halloween. So here's the haunted dairy farm.
What do you think's in here? Garbage. What a shame. Any spoops? Hello? 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 When I first got here, I was a little kind of skeeved and kind of spooked, but then you realize that it's just a park with like a urban trail through it, and you see some people come and just walk in and enjoying their like Tuesday. It becomes less spoopy. This roof had collapsed. I don't feel any ghosts here. Do you believe in ghosts? Let me know. But I don't feel any ghosts or spirits here. There's a lot of frogs here. This place is not forgotten, but just untaken care of. Didn't see any spoops today, but hopefully we got some good history and got in the Halloween spirit. So I'm gonna close it out for today. All right, I wanna say have a safe and fun-filled Halloween. Fun travels from me to you, and make sure to get home safely. Bye guys.